Your trading journal already holds all the answers. The problem is finding them. Most traders spend hours digging through tabs, metrics, and reports trying to figure out what actually drives their results. The Edge Finder in Edgewonk changes that completely. It is a fully automated algorithm that analyzes your trading journal every week, and it uncovers the patterns that truly matter. In seconds, you see where your profits come from, where your edge is leaking, and what you need to fix next. There's no more guesswork, no need for endless analysis. The Edge Finder provides clear, actionable insights. Many traders discover their trading system was never the problem. It was rule breaks and other data leaks. By using the Edgewonk trading journal, you spend less time analyzing and more time improving. The Edge Finder reveals your trading edge, fully automated and backed by over 10 years of analyzing millions of trades. Start journaling today and you can see what really drives your results.